we have our warrant of arrest na pinakita namin if it's needed. And very cooperative naman po yung local officials doon and the owners of the house. I don't think there is any complaint na we acted, including the National Bureau of Investigation, acted very professional po doon.
Anong klaseng warrant po itong hawak nila? ICC warrant po ba?
Yes, it's an ICC warrant. You know, ma'am, I'm very thankful doon sa mga tao for allowing us, for accommodating us, for opening the door sa amin, for supporting the investigation, for their privacy also, and out of respect. I wouldn't want to comment ng mga but I thank them for for respecting us also and understanding that it is our duty. I have the highest respect sa ma'am, sa asawa ni Sir Nabato. So out of I understand her position, siyempre asawa is asawa. But I think the owners can attest, even the local officials doon sa area, that the CIDG and the NBI acted very professionally. Now, if there is any violation of law po na commit namin, they can always file cases against us po sa National Police Commission or even the Internal Affairs Service. But I can assure you na, the operatives during that time and in the future na operations will maintain yung professionalism namin. We will observe the rights of other people also, including their human rights.